Hi, my name is Carolyn Jones, and this is Pick Up Your Bed and Walk. This series was offered at the Catalia branch of the Brooklyn Public Library to give the community a glimpse of accessible self-care modalities. I am so grateful to be able to bring this information to the community because so many people, especially after the pandemic, are looking for new ways to take care of themselves. And they also realize the value of being aware of what is going on in their bodies, being able to scan their body and see where a problem might be or could arise. This four-part series includes kitchen medicine, natural skincare, flower essences, and sound therapy. I decided to go that route because I wanted to cover the physical, mental, spiritual, and emotional aspects of life. Love before me, love behind me, love at my left, love at my right, love above me, love below me, love unto me. I grew up in a household where my mother believed in a balanced meal. I had to have my vegetables, I had to have my fruit, and of course there was the usual soul food. She was a Georgia peach. But back in the day, everything was fresher. It wasn't contaminated with a lot of preservatives and toxins, antibiotics and such. There weren't the same concerns that we have now, where our diet, fast food was just a nice banana split and hamburger at Woolworths or something. For those of you who are not of that time and space, yes, we ate at Woolworths, and I enjoyed a good banana split too, believe me, and a good hamburger. A nice hamburger with all the fixings. That did a soul good back in the day. I am a holistic health practitioner, bereavement chaplain, flower essence therapist, reflexologist, and harm reduction specialist. Louise Hay says, you have the power to heal your life, and you need to know that. We think so often that we are helpless, but we're not. We always have the power of our minds. Claim and consciously use your power. So repeat after me. I will claim and consciously use my power. It's important to educate the community about their options, especially as it relates to natural self-care, because a lot of people have never heard of flower essences and they've never experienced sound therapy. They don't even realize that the spices in their kitchen can heal them of various ailments that they don't have to run to the emergency room for. Whispering leaves, floral brigade, sunlight, pure energy, reverence made, devouring petals, essence extracted, aromatic power, nature didactic, sacrificial potions, Isis stirring the plot, wisps of steam rising, herbs in the pot, formulas ingested, fight unseen wars, balancing systems, relieving sores, traditional versus alternative, a medical view, consider this fact, the plants love you too.
Hello everybody, my name is Nata. I am here bringing us some beautiful koshi chimes. These, chimes have been in existence since the beginning of time. People have been working with the wind and the sound as ways to heal themselves and to anchor in different frequencies into their hearts, into their communities.
Nata and Anthony, two of my dearest friends, accompanied me as I taught about vibrational therapy. Nata mesmerized the class with kochi chimes, and Anthony put us all in a state of pure bliss with the handpan. I guess I was sort of destined to become someone who is immersed in the art of healing. I was surrounded by those types of messages when I was growing up. My mother was always listening to some type of sermon, and Oral Roberts caught my attention because he would always say, "Be healed from the crown of your head to the sole of your feet."
How he will make you whole from the crown of your head to the soles of your feet. Only believe.
I heard it so often, I believed that it could be done. It turns out it can be done. I am divine. I am sacred. I am appreciative. I am love. I'm transformative. I am that I am. You were born with a divine mission. You need the world, and the world needs you. Express gratitude every morning upon rising. Look in the mirror and smile. Hug yourself. Embrace yourself. Trust yourself. Affirm yourself. And above all, please detoxify yourself. And let's enjoy the journey of great health together.